Hey, hi there, Manish here. So I saw that you're looking for someone who can assist you with Twilio automations and the integration with wide range of different apps. So yes, I can do it. I'll quickly walk you through like how we can connect Twilio with different business applications and build automation workflow. So there are two things. One, we can directly work with Twilio APIs, and second, we can go with a platform like Make.com or Zapier, which have inbuilt Twilio module available, and we can create different type of automations as per our requirement. So let me quickly show you over here. So first of all, this is the platform called make.com, and here we have Twilio with different triggers and actions. We can watch any incoming messages, we can create message, list message, get, delete, we can work with media files, plus we can also handle all the calls as well as recordings, transcription, and so many things. Plus from here itself we can make API calls. Now couple of automation use case that I have built around Twilio. So here you can see this automation is actually watching new SMS from leads from clients, and then it goes into ChatGPT to create a response to analyze that message, and finally it return reply through a chatbot kind of environment, and log that entire chat history into GoHighLevel as well as Google Sheets. Secondly, I built these kind of drip campaign using Twilio. So this is completely built on Google App Script, and messages goes out at a certain day interval. So after 2 days, after 4 days, and so on. And the entire sequence is built over here. So all the clients, all the leads are getting messages based upon things, and over here when managing a basic report, all the logs. Similar way, Google Calendar events can also be notified using Twilio. Here, HR recruitment agency wanted to notify their decision with candidates based upon the profile matching, so they wanted to go ahead with the interview or not. So these kind of things, plus this kind of a large scenario where we are using Pipedrive when a combination of Twilio. So when there is a lead reaches to a particular point, we wanted to notify that lead or the client based upon like the next steps. So yeah, almost anything can be done with Twilio using Zapier or Make, and I can assist you with both of them. So I would like to learn about your requirement. Let's jump on a call, discuss how we can build your automation requirements using Twilio and a platform like Make and Zapier. I'm a certified expert with Zapier and a gold partner with Make.com. Plus, I know codings on Python, JavaScript as well. So I can add good value to your overall automation journey. So let me know if this excites you. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.